Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and our
Non
esteemed
parlargli.
guest for
Lo senti tu?
today's.
Sì, no. E per vedere adesso
Yes.
Let's
collegati,
wait
gli
for
altri sono di là
Mr.
qua.
Pietro, and we'll.
Hi,
Yeah,
please. Hi, pleased to meet you.
yeah.
Hi. Hi,
Good,
Vijay. Hi,
good afternoon,
ciao.
our esteemed guest and all the visitors and audience which has joined us today. Uh, the topic for the current session is interaction with Pietro La Grassa and Mr. Vijay Mohan Bembey by Mnox Heko Walo. And we are looking for a very insightful discussion on the same. Before proceeding, I would like to convey this to all the audiences that we have lucky draw for all the visitors which are joining us, and the result would be announced at the end of the day. Also, if anyone have any doubt from the audience, they can drop their questions on the YouTube comment and it would be taken positively by our speakers. I would like to introduce our speakers for today. Mr. Pietro La Grassa is International Sales Manager at Amanox, Italy. Mr. Pietro La Grassa has over 31 years of experience in hospitality industry and is an expert of negotiation, budgeting, business planning, sales and sales management. Mr. Vijay Mohan Bembey is founder, director, IHSFPF Delhi, and is a veteran marketing and sales professional having more than 35 years of experience in channel development, major customers development, new hotel projects, QSRs chain, key account management, IDEAC's development, and building effective teams. Mr. Vijay Mohan Bembey has handled diversified products like commercial kitchen equipment, consumer durable, and commercial products. He has also mentored and developed various people and entrepreneurs, have wide product experience in commercial refrigeration, chemicals, consumer durables, and beverages. So over to our speakers.
Okay, you hear me? Hello?
Yes.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yes, hi, Vijay.
Hi. I welcome Mr. Pietro to the virtual exhibition.
Mr. Vijayji, I would
Yes.
like to introduce Mr. Anand Kishore, who is also with us.
Okay.
Anand Kishore is CEO, founder, director of Ahata Industries and Aajjo.com. Is also co-founder of Yari Industries. He has proven record of operating business by making the best marketing strategy, budgets, product launching, and complete management. Over to you, speakers.
Just a minute. Myself, Anand Kishore, and we extend our welcome to our special guest, Mr. Vijay Bembey and Mr. Pietro La Grassa. And Mr. Bembey is a strong supporter of World Hospitality Expo. We appreciate his vision and his contribution towards hospitality industry. Thank you very much. Over to you, Mr. Bembey and La Grassa. Thank you.
Thank you, Anand. I'm introducing Mr. Pietro La Grassa from Inox Heko Velo Group from Italy. They are OEM to many OEMs in Europe. Over to Mr. Pietro. Thank you.
Hi.
Hi.
So, thanks for all of you for your time and your attention to us. So, can I start? I don't know if I can start to explain and to explain, to introduce the company, Inox, Valo, and Eco.
Yes.
Is okay. Can I start? Because I don't know. I don't see if the participants are online or.
They are online.
Okay. So I introduce you briefly the company and I show you some information, some PowerPoint and some videos, if for you is okay, to let you understand who we are. What I would like to do today is to explain you, to give you exactly the idea of what we can do, what we can produce with the different brand and the different companies. Then eventually for the details on the product, we will have another moment, another time, or with Mr. Vijay, he can introduce you deeply on catalogs and products. Now my idea, my target is for you to understand exactly what we can offer to you in terms of equipment and in terms of projects and support. Okay, so dov'è qui?
Yes, please continue.
Okay, just a moment. What?
Sì, condividi lo schermo. Ah no, ok, già condiviso, puoi chiudere.
We are representing them in
Okay.
Indian subcontinent, India, Nepal, Bhutan, Sri Lanka, and other countries.
Do you see my presentation?
No, not at the moment.
Deve darti permesso.
You have to.
L'organizzatore.
The organizer has to allow me
Yes,
to
yes.
to
You are
to show
allowed,
to
yeah.
share the documents.
Yes, you are allowed to share the presentation. Kindly click on share screen and select the window you want to share, and let me know if it doesn't work.
Okay, perfect.
Fai film, loro dovrebbero vederlo adesso.
Yes, it's
Yes, it is
visible
okay
to
now.
us.
Hai
It's
visto
okay
il
now.
mio schermo?
No, così vedo tutto, però
Non
vedo
importa,
anche
fai
loro.
modellare. Sì, vabbè. Ah, boh, ok, se vuoi vedere anche
Sì.
loro, sì, va bene.
So I leave this a little bit smaller, but I see also you. You hear me?
Yes,
The
fine.
volume,
yes,
the
fine.
audio is okay?
yes.
Okay, thanks. So this is Emainox, Eco and Valo are part of a group Sorry. Okay, grazie. So Emainox, Eco and Valo are part of a group, a family group. It's not a multinational company. It's a family group, but is belong a financial main company, and the name is this one. In Italian, we say Filo Investment. This is the headquarters, the financial company that own several companies in different business. So we have the main one, that Filo Investment. So is always the same family, the Locatelli family, the family of the owner, because are different brothers that own different companies. And below Filo Investment, we have three major business. One business is Horeca business, so our business. Another one is components business. This means companies producing components in different materials. This means plastic, glass, stainless steel, cast iron, and so there are several companies. And furniture. So a company specialized in furniture in different fields: home furniture, museum furniture, industrial furniture, specialized in Korea. For concerning us, the Horeca business, we have Emainox and Heco. And Valo, now I'll explain you, because Valo is a brand. The Filo Investment and the different business has a subsidiary in several offices of subsidiaries or production plant in several countries, like in Dubai, in Emirates, in China, in Romania, in Italy, and on the main cities in Europe. So with the different, depend on the business where we are involved, but we have different headquarters around the world. So we see you can see the main, for concerning Horeca business, so Emainox, Valo, and Eco, we have 8,000 square meter production and offices plant. With now is a little more, we are 100 employees. And the turnover is with Eco is about 15 million euro today. This turnover is a little bit is 2 years old. The components is the bigger business, and furniture is a smaller one. But what is our interest is Horeca business. So in Horeca business, we have Emainox is the mother company, and belong Emainox. We have the major brand that is Emainox. That then we see the kind of product. I will show you exactly each company, the kind of product it can produce. Then we have Valo, the Emainox in any case is self-service, drop-in lines, wine chiller, and so on, refrigeration. Valo, that is, and Borex, that is belong Valo, is specialized in water, all that is water treatment. So glass and dishwasher machine, water softener, osmosis system. And Eco, that is another company. In this case, Emainox and Valo are the two brands, and Valo is, we say, a branch of Emainox specialized in glass and dishwasher. And is a department of Emainox company. Eco is another company. Belong the same group, the same family, specialized in cooking suite, monoblock, custom made. All that is custom made for chef and for restaurants, hotels, in electric or gas and so on. The group is more than 40 years old. This means in 1980 started the business in Italy, and then he developed during the last 40 years. Furniture is the younger one, but is specialized is 10 years old, and is specialized in furniture in working the Korean material for different sectors like museum, like home, domestic, or for restaurants, bar, and so on. So this is briefly to give you an idea of our organization. Now I try. Now we go. I want to show you. Sorry, I closed this one. Okay. So this is the Horeca business, our company, Emainox. So in Emainox, we are specialized in all the equipment for canteens, buffets in hotel, restaurant, from the small one until the bigger one. We have we produce standard equipment for the school canteens, for small bar and hotels. This means a standard product that we produce here, and is a basic one in different size and models. What we call self-service. The self-service units comes complete, can be hot or cold, refrigerated or static, in with Bembey, with glass ceramic, with glass cabinet, in different shape, different size, 700 in deep, so it can be 700, 750, 800, in stainless steel, in wood, painted in different colors. Okay, so we do the full project. Or we can, we have the drop-in lines. So when we say drop-in, we say, we mean all the machine that we use also on the self-service line. but that we sell the machine to the companies that produce the furnitures by themselves, so using different material. So we have three possibilities, or just to sell the machine, this means the cabinets or the ceramic plate or the cold ventilated cabinet in different shape, different size, to the company that can build their own furniture, or we can sell the full project. This means the full buffet line, using the material that the customer want to have. This means we can use stainless steel, we can use wood, we can use marble, granite, Korean, depends from the customer. So we can supply the full project. Eventually, we can supply also the machine with the structure, the stainless steel shell, the structure, and the customer can finish it locally with the wood, with marble, or different materials. So the self-service, you see, we have also a self-service more luxury in self-supreme use. And we do, you can see here some project. Valo Professional is the company producing glass and dishwasher machine, from the economic line until the luxury line. When I say luxury line, means that it's full stainless steel, double skin, insulated, with program, so you can program the machine. Or we have the simple one, the smart one, that is a simple one, mechanical one, always double skin in stainless steel, but very easy to maintain, with no program and so on. We have also Osmosis and water softener. The water softener are to avoid the calc, so for when the water is very hard. The Osmosis is to clean the water from the impurity that you can have in the water, like lime or other kind of salt. Eco is the company that is specialized in sweet cooking for the chef, high quality equipment with 5 mm thickness, all digital or mechanical, in different size and shape. We have a touch line that can be connected with the electronic and energy recovery system, or top line that is a mechanical one, or the smart, this means is a top 750 deep that we use for small restaurants, not big one. Then we have also fryer, freestanding fryer with heat recovery, high heat recovery system, with the filter, with the hot pump with the possibility to recover the oil for the fast food, to understand better. So you have the possibility to recover the oil, to clean the oil and to filter the oil in 4 minutes with hot oil, because there is a special pump that can filter the oil at 80 degrees. So you don't have to wait time and to waste time to filter the oil. Let me check. I show you a video of the company. This is the video of our stand at last show in Milan. I show you now in order to show you a little bit and to see our equipment, drop-in, self-service, and so on.
Video not yet coming.
So in this video, you had a carousel, a little bit of all the equipment of Emainox, drop-in, self-service, and wine chiller. Now I show you some project that we did in around Europe. To show you, to give you a better idea of what we can do. Let me. So this kind of project are.
Your
Sorry,
file is not open. Your file has not opened.
I don't understand. Sorry.
File is not open.
You see it? You hear
No.
me? You see me?
No.
No?
No. The reference book is not open.
Reference book is not open. Let me check. Why not? Okay.
Still not. Maybe you have to stop screen share and then share again.
Yeah. Let me check with another one. And this one, you see?
Still not. Maybe you stop share screen and then share it again. Now it is okay.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So this is Emainox brand, the different range of equipment that we have in Emainox. No, so we have we say the users. Who are the users? Traditional, like company canteens or school canteen. These are more well. In this case, we use more the standard self-service. Can be 700 is the light one, or the 800 is the more heavy duty. Heavy duty means thickness is 1.5 millimeter, or the light one, the 700 is 1.2 millimeter. Then we work with bar, hotels, wine bars with the wine chillers, bakeries, supermarket, pastry shop. We have the self-serve, the light self-service, the 700 and the 800. The self-supreme is for breakfast, is wooden finishing. Then self-cube is 750. So this the difference of the self-service depends from the heavy duty. This means the thickness of the material and the size. Drop-in are all the machines that we use for the customer that want to do their own finishing. Then we have wall display for supermarkets, bar, restaurant. Then we have wine display cases and hold cabinet, hot and cold to keep warm or to keep cold, frigo bar and neutral elements in Italy mainly, because not in the export we are not competitive with neutral elements. So the self cube, I show you briefly the self-service 800, self-service 700, self-supreme with wood finishing. This is a project that we did with drop-ins. These are the different line of drop-in. What is the different? Different is in size or in shape. They can be in square shape, in round shape, with shelf 1, 2, 3 level, or 1 or 2 or 3 in hot and cold version, with motor built in or without motor, with remote control. So the drop-in, when we use it, we use for custom solution of the customer. When they want just the machine to insert in any structure that they can do. The drop-in can be static refrigeration or ventilated in cold and in hot with different size, different shape, and so on. We can also, you see here, you can see the different phases of our production and construction when we do the full project. You see the shell, okay, with a different hole. Okay, then we finish the shell with the different material. This means marble on the top, and in this case is wooden painted in white. And then we insert the machine to finish the full project. But we can sell just the machine, or we can sell just the machine with only the shell. These are some projects did by us in different, some example, you see with light. All these photos that you see, these are jobs that we did 100%. This means we did the full project, we develop it, first we install in the company to check and to fix everything, to check that everything is made properly. And then we deliver with disassembly, we package and we deliver to the customer. You see here some different solution. This is okay, these are simply multi-deck display cases that can be refrigerated with the ventilation, or can be hot with the glass ceramic bottom and glass ceramic shelf. Each level can be warm up and controlled individually. These are the decanter wine chiller display cases, small or big, with different temperature for different wines, white or red, with evaporator in the middle and the motor on the bottom. All in glass with frontal door, or you can have also the back in stainless steel or other material. These are some canteen that we did. Then we have Roliterm and Rollicol. Roliterm is with humidity control from 0 till 90 degrees, and you can check the humidity control. You can adjust from 0 till 10 levels. Is approximately. This means you have possibility to adjust from 0 to 10 in different levels. And Rollicol is the same structure, but with motor and to maintain cold and for cocktail, wine, glasses, everywhere. All these are plug-in with wheel, so you can move it where you need in different shape, in different size. The undercounter, double door, single door, and frigo bar. And these are some bars that some project we did, and neutral elements. Okay, I don't know if you have some if you have some just a moment question, or I go on. I would like to have also to show you a video concerning the other two companies, mainly a couple of videos that can give you an idea about eco cooking blocks, what we can do and what we can produce, and how some feature. Or if you want to have some question, I stop a moment. I don't know. Tell me. It's okay.
You can share the video.
Okay. It's okay. You see it? This is a sort of video catalog of Eco.
Video is not coming.
No?
No. Black screen.
Yes, video is visible now.
Now it is coming.
Again, we can't see anything, I believe.
Yeah. You can do it again, Pietro.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, please.
It's okay. You see it?
No, video is not visible again. I guess you need to select the window. Yes, now we can.
Okay.
Yes, now we can see the video. Thank you.
This is a sort of video catalog of where you can see exactly different type of cooking we do in different color, different shape,
Yes,
different size. This is the energy manager system control to control the power of the equipment, the electric one.
Along with you can explain also to slightly the video
Yes.
going on.
Okay, so what you say, Vijay? I didn't hear you. What you told me?
Please continue.
Yes. Well, no, but you told me something before.
You can explain what was going into the video.
Yeah. This was a video. I can show you also the catalog is a video to show you the kind of equipment that we let me check. Okay, it's okay. You see the catalog now?
Yeah. No, not at the moment. Yes.
Okay, it was a video to show you. Now I show you on our catalog briefly the kind of equipment that we can produce. This means Eco is a suite, a custom-made cooking block. This means we work under project. This means there is no price. This means the project, the chef or the project manager will send us the specification, explain us exactly what he wants, what he needs, or he send us already the project with the size and so on, and we develop the kitchen on the project that he send us, or he ask us to realize the project for him. He tell us what he needs exactly, which kind of equipment he needs, the size of the space he has, how many people has the restaurants, the size of the restaurant, and so on, and we develop with him the block. You have some ideas here. For example, this is a 900 that you can put on a wall, or like island, or you have a 100, 200. This is the deep, or 1,800, so bigger. All this is 5 millimeter thickness, the top. All electric components you can have, or you can have gas. So also induction. We can use also some specific element that the chef needs, like for example, you don't see here because is in Europe is not popular, but for example the wok, we can install the wok. We can install a tandoori oven. We buy and we install it. We can install also other equipment from other markets. We can finish, the standard one is a stainless steel, but we can finish the block with different color on demand of the customer. So here you see some standard color, but the customer can choose the color and we can fix it. Underneath you can have a neutral cabinet, or cabinet with door, or cabinet with drawers, refrigerator base, or also hot base with humidity control and the possibility to do low temperature cooking. Because in this drawer you can have a temperature until 80 degrees, so you can use it for the low temperature cooking. This is an example of the project that we can do. This means the full project, and we are able to deliver also to study and to deliver the full project for the customer. This means the block, but not only the block. If the customer want to have some other equipment, because from us we can do it, like salamander, like the oven, or also the neutral furniture to finish the project with the cooking block. So this is. Then I want to show you how is easy a couple of videos about the cooking block to show you also how we can clean it. I put it in. Let me start again. Okay. Was okay? You see
Yes.
it?
Yes, fine.
Sorry?
Yes, thank you.
Okay. And now I show you another one just to see how easy to clean, because is a very special monoblock. Let me check if everything is okay. You see it?
Yeah, this is very interesting.
No?
Yes, yes.
Ah, okay. So with this kind of video, it is easier to understand some characteristic and some quality also of this kind of equipment.
What was this? This is a very good cleaning system. What is this?
Yeah, this is because it is the touch line. Touch line is the top line of the range. Is practically hermetic. So you can wash it and clean it very easily with water and with direct water on the kitchen with no problem, because all the components are hermetically closed in safety areas. So it's very easy to clean and to maintain and during the time. So is one of the characteristics. In this case, you see the machine, the block you see is electric with induction and all, but we can have also the same in gas with gas burner and other gas equipment. So this depends from the market. Maybe, but in your market is more popular the gas or the electric cooking appliances in this kind
mix.
of
Some
mix.
places gas, some places electric.
Okay. There are also places where they use just electric, full electric. Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So let me check here one moment. Okay. Where is it? No. Oh. Sorry. Okay. I'm looking for my. I don't find my file. Sorry, I'm looking for my file. One moment. You see this one?
Nothing is visible.
Sorry, but I have some problem now with my.
Hi, Mr. Pietro. How can I help you?
I'm some problem with my video here.
Okay.
Yes, it's visible now.
Did you see this one?
Yeah, it is coming. Yet to come. Not there. Not coming. Video is not coming, Pietro.
Have you seen the video? I have some problem to share now.
No.
No.
Video is not there.
What's happening here?
What is the IP rating? There is a question from the audience.
Is there any question?
Yeah. What are the IP ratings of equipments?
Sorry, what is the
IP ratings.
Oh, this depends from okay. If you, for the echo block that we just saw is IPX or 5 or 6.
Okay.
In this range, this means the top. If we have also a lower range, the EPX is lower, depend from the equipment, from the models that we use. This one is the maximum, is the top level. So is 5, I'm sure, maybe 6 also.
Okay.
This echo block.
I think video is not coming, Pietro.
Sorry?
Video is not coming.
Yes, I know, but I'm trying to. Okay, maybe. Okay. I show this one.
Okay.
This is a project that we did in Israel. Is the school is the most important school in culinary school in Israel.
Okay.
So I'm sorry, it is not in English, but I received it from my customer. This is the best culinary school in Israel, and we did the cooking area, the pastry area, and in the cooking area we did 14 equal block for the student, and is to give you a reference, an example of an important project that we did.
Okay.
Then now I show you a little bit presentation of okay. This is the reference book of you see it? It's okay?
Yet to open. Yet to open.
Sorry?
Not yet open.
Not yet open. Not yet open. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. This is a reference book. So these are some projects that we did around the world with the echo. So this is an important restaurant in Turin, in Italy. This one also is in Italy, in close to us in Udine. This one is in Russia, important restaurant in Russia. This is in Garda Lake, big kitchen. This one is in Spain. This is just gas burner and gas fry top. This one is are 2 blocks that we did in a small restaurant always in Moscow. This is the Metropole Hotel in central Moscow. This is in an important restaurant in Nashville, in USA. So we can have also the UL and ATL NSF norms. This one is the Italian Culinary Institute in Turin, in Italy. Always the same in Turin, the Italian Culinary Institute. This is it's full electric because it's a chalet in the mountains in the north of Italy. This is another job we did in America, in USA, in Long Island, outside New York. This is always the school in Riva del Garda, and a very important culinary school in Italy. This is the Saknin School in Israel. Is the project that I show you in the video. This is the monoblock that we did for the school that you saw in the video in Tel Aviv, in Israel. This is another restaurant in Moscow. In Russia, we sell quite a good number of projects. In Italy, obviously. This is also in Venice. This is in Biennale. I don't know if you know the Biennale in Venezia. This is a big project we did in Philippines, in Baguio. It's a tourist resort. This is in Austria, in Villach area, close to the mountains. This is a very big project we did in Russia, in Skolkovo. Is a new area where there are a lot of technological companies. You see, these are all induction. So you see 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 induction plus 2 walk induction. So this is more than 5 meters longer. We had to deliver it divided in 2 blocks. So we prepare the full blocks at the company, divided in 2 pieces, with all the connection that had to be done locally. Also the welding in the middle. And this is even longer. It's a project in Malaysia. So you can see this was 6 meters, 6.5 meters, something like that. This is in Norway, a big project we did in Norway. When we sell in Norway is full electric with energy manager control. The energy manager control is a system that allow the chef or the hotels to control the maximum consumption of the full block. This means you can adjust, and I have a video to show you, but in any case, you can adjust the consumption that you want, and the machine automatically, the kitchen automatically manage the different, the power to give to the different components to obtain the right consumption. And you connect also other equipment like oven, refrigerators, and so on. I should have a video to show you this, how to use it, to give you an idea about that.
You have machines for marines?
Okay, for marines, the only machine we can do it, because we have just to do some small modification. For example, the rack to fix the pot when you use it, the feet to fix the kitchen on the floor, and so other small details is not a problem. The only question is the voltage. This means glass washer, EMA Inox, and Eco. If until 60 Hertz is not a problem, 400, 380, 400, 420, no problem. If you need 440, 60, we have to check the appliances or to install a transformer. Because depend from the components. Not 100% of the components are okay for the 440, 60 Hertz. So we have to check. But basically, yes, we have to keep attention only on this special. Okay.
Thank you.
Hello. Just go over. No. Okay. So this is the energy manager control, no? What I told you. This means is a small video to see to understand what I mean. This is the panel where you adjust the kilowatt that you want to use from the block and from each element. So this was to show you how is working a little bit the energy manager. You had a video that you can put on a wall, or where you can adjust the total consumption. It show you the total consumption of the cooking block or the other equipment that you can adjust. If you want to use maximum power, 30 kilowatt, you adjust it to 30 kilowatt. Then in the other one, you have the instant consumption. When the total consumption of the chef reach the 30 kilowatt, automatically the machine starts to slow down the power to some equipment that are not in use in that moment. Because, for example, when normally the chef, they use the gas, what they do, they come, they switch on the kitchen in the morning with the gas, and they leave the burner going the full day, okay? With this system and with the energy manager control with the electric, if in the moment during the day when nobody is using the burner, for example, the induction in this case, or the electric, automatically the machine, the system can understand it and drop down the energy and the power, so using less energy in this moment.
Okay. Any other questions from anyone? Team Aajjo, you got any questions further?
I have also a brief presentation of Valo to show you what we do with Valo, and then we can speak a little bit if you want. Okay.
Okay.
It's on? Okay.
Yeah, yes.
So this was the Wallo, the last of the three, the Wallo company for glass and dishwasher. We have from the small glass washer, 35 by 35 basket, till the under counter 50 by 50 glass washer and dishwasher, the hood machine in different type, different size, the pot washer, tray washer, and now briefly in few months, we will have also the conveyor machine, the bigger one for bigger restaurant.
Thank you so much, sir. We have one question.
Yes.
From the attendees. The question is dropped in the chat box. Attendee wants to know what's the strategy for market like India.
In India, okay, first of all, now we cooperate with Mr. Bembey, that is, they represent our company, is the person that represent our group with the all three brand, Emainos, Eco, and Valo on the market. We have already some deal that we started in the past, especially with Valo, glass washer, dishwasher. Obviously, the characteristic we have is that we have a lot of different equipment, so a big range of different equipment that is going to different markets. So because the glass and dishwasher, the small one, the Hudma, go to restaurants, some projects, but also to retail sales. So in this, with this equipment, we check for distributor that want to cooperate with us to have a stock locally and to resell. With the big machine, with the big project, with Eco, for example, we go just through consultant and hotel chain and big resource, because it's a custom-made project. So we check project by project. We do thousands and thousands of glass washer per year. We do at the moment between 4 and 5 projects per month with Eco. So you see, is a totally different approach to the production, to the commercial, and to the market. Emainox is in the middle because we have all the standard equipment that we sell to other dealers, or we have custom-made project using all the different materials that are addressed to hotel and chains. So it is depend from which brand, which product are speaking about.
Pietro, there is a question from a corporate chef.
Sorry?
There is a corporate chef, Chef Rajiv. He's asking where he can see the products.
Mm-hmm. Where?
He can physically see the products.
But you say project physically?
Yes.
In India, at the moment, we are looking for a first project to introduce Eco and okay, Valo. We have some, we have
some, yes.
Eco. We until the moment we do not have a project. We have project in other countries. In the closer to you can be Dubai.
Okay.
Dubai. We are now in discussion. We are in discussion to do a project in Maldives.
Okay.
With the Jumeirah Resort, so Jumeirah Group.
Okay.
Uh,
And some of the OEMs must be supplying in India, or those who has purchased from you in Italy. So they are selling in India. That we may not be knowing it exactly.
Sorry, who?
Some OEMs.
OEMs in India? No.
Yeah.
No. If you, it's possible, but no. We depend.
We will not be knowing it.
Yeah. No. Till the moment, no. But we can do it.
Okay.
There's one more question. I've dropped it in the chat box. I'll read it out.
Yeah. What is that?
Yeah. The question is it any cooking block delivered in India? Is there any cooking block which is delivered in India?
No, not till now.
Not currently. Not currently.
Okay. Thank you so much, our esteemed guests, for the insightful session which we had today here. And we hope everyone, including our audiences, guests, visitors, and you have enjoyed the same. With that, we'll be concluding our session for today. But before that, we would like to announce the name of our lucky winners who were our visitor throughout the day in the World Hospitality Expo 2022. Name of the winners are Aditya Jhala, Pranav Bhatt, Praveen Rai, Venkat N, and Chaitanya Goyal. They will soon be getting gifts which are sponsored by our gifting partners,
Great.
Dadu Ceramics, Varun Laundry
Great.
Equipments, and Hapa Industries.
Okay,
Thanks.
thank you.
Thank you so much for joining. Have a nice day and stay
Thank
safe.
you, Pietro, for joining from Italy to for us and sharing some information.
Yeah.
We'll proceed further into this. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you to all of you for your kind attention. Okay. I hope to
Thank
see
you.
you soon. Bye.
Thank you.
Ciao,
Bye.
ciao.
Bye.
Thanks.